Introducing the HJ-50B perforating and binding machine from Huijin. The HJ-50B perforating and binding machine is a fast and foolproof punching and binding equipment. It punches and binds papers up to 50 mm thick, and the two processes are separately carried out electrically. Before starting the punching work, the binding module needs to be preheated and the nylon tube needs to be filled into the machine.
Put the work under the punching drill and adjust the margin of each side you would like to have. Then push the drill button. The hollow drill will punch a hole going along with automatically cutting up the nylon tube of a corresponding length. Insert the cut tube into the hole, place the paper under the needle, and position the tube right beneath the needle. Press the downward button to guide the needle path through the tube, and after hearing the beeping, press the bind button to have the machine finish the whole binding job. Durable and secure binding with HJ-50B from Huijin.